Hey, this is Carrie Ann Kilpatrick with Let's Be Realty Girl, your local go-to realtor here in Northeast Florida. Here's a question I get asked all the time. How can I get my offer accepted? So when home buyers begin the house hunting process, they often don't realize just how many steps it entails. So today we're going to be talking about how to seal the deal on your dream home. So here we go. Number one is price your offer right. I cannot stress this enough. The second is consider your contingencies carefully. And three is create a clean contract. So we're going to dig deeper into these points in just a second. But in case you don't know me, I am Carrie Ann Kilpatrick, and I am a real estate agent here in Northeast Florida. Home is my passion, so I'm going to be sharing real estate and home related topics with you every single week. You can follow me for community highlights, local business spotlights, real estate tips and tricks, and anything that makes your home unique and special to you. So, okay, now let's find out how to make a winning offer on a home. So, the first one, what did we say? We said it was going to be price your offer right. This is like basic 101. So remember, it's the market, not you or the seller, that determines how much a property is worth. So don't try to lowball the seller. You're only going to offend them. That's not going to work. Instead, look at the comparables. Look at the homes that have sold recently in the area and come up with a price that's fair and reasonable. And when you do this, you're going to have a better chance of having a seller consider your offer and accept it. So really, really consider that. It's one of the most important things. So number two is consider your contingencies carefully. The contingencies you write into an offer are designed to protect you, not the seller. Everything from securing a loan to selling your current home to picking a closing date, all of these things matter and they impact the seller in a negative way if you don't consider these very carefully. If your market is extremely competitive, you'll want to consider your contingencies really, really carefully. So sometimes people take big risk and remove almost all their contingencies to make their offer more appealing to the seller. But I do want to caution you. Overall, try to strike a balance between protecting your interests while also keeping your offer attractive. You don't want to do something that you're going to regret later on. So, number three is creating a clean contract. I've seen so many offers get declined by sellers simply because the real estate agent they chose wrote a sloppy contract, and that is a thing. So ultimately, the contract is the first impression you make. It's a signal of how the rest of the transaction is going to go. No one wants to spend 30 days in escrow with a buyer who's disorganized. And even though it would be your agent, that's not the way they feel about it. So being dysfunctional and in disarray isn't going to work. Make sure your real estate agent writes a clean contract that's organized, simple, and complete. And you'll be surprised. You're going to be really surprised at how many agents get this wrong. So you can see that there's some skill and strategy in creating an offer on a home. So please consider those three. So if you would like a free list of my buyer's checklist, text me at 904-601-2216 and just put buyer's checklist and I'll get that information over to you. That's completely free. So there you have it. Those are the three most important things for you to consider to get your offer accepted. Just understanding those three things puts you ahead of most other buyers. So again, this is Carrie Ann with Let's Be Realty Girl. Thanks for tuning in and happy home shopping. Okay, one more thing. Want to dig deeper? You can also schedule a complimentary one-on-one consultation with me. You can find that link in my for my calendar in my Instagram bio. You can also text me and we can set that up together. I really appreciate you joining me today and I hope to see you around town. See you later. Bye-bye.